Let me talk a little bit about how you're going to get into trouble when you're doing reed tuning. Well, the first mistake you're likely to make is not to make a tuning chart so that you have a written record of the tuning. And then you have to check each one like I'm doing, and you'll find you're off by 1 or 2 hertz pretty normally, even if you're careful. If you look at this plate, you'll see that the ones that I'm done with have a purple dot. See the little dot and the dot and the dot? Those means they're done, okay? Now, if you lose your place on this chart because you didn't mark the harp with a little bit of color and you get lost and you start just tuning stuff wrong, you could very well ruin that harp. So this is a job that requires very, very precise tracking of each move that you make, understanding that each reed is so critically important. If you're in a rush, go do something else. Don't do this. You've got to be calm, fresh. And the other thing is, you'll notice when I use the dremmel here, I've got my hand on this, okay? I'm not freehanding. I'm doing it with some support. Don't try to do this freehand, you know. And the other thing is safety glasses. You must wear safety glasses, and you've got to get something underneath that reed while you work it. So, but the good part is that a harp that is properly tuned is absolutely beautiful in play and does so well. I like this instrument so much, but it needed to be retuned. What can I say? How am I going to get those nails out? I've got a knife I'm willing to sacrifice, but I may have to wear leather gloves. I mean, it's not going to be easy to get these nails out. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nails. Oh, man. Ugh. We'll see how.